Hello, fellow adventurers. Sorry for the absence. I've been dealing with health issues basically all summer, but now I'm back and I wanted to get the bike cleaned off. So I used a product that's been promoted by Sean from Bikes and Beards. It's the Fast Detailer by M1 Moto. And I ordered the product and when it was a Kickstarter, and I haven't actually got a chance to use it till now. One, I was, like I said, sick and dealing with back issues and everything else. It's just been a mess of a summer, but I've got very little riding in. But now that I'm feeling better, I decided to get out and clean the bike. My bike, beside being out here in the rain most of the summer uncovered and in all the other elements, had been recently had tons of grass spewed upon it, as you can see from this view of the back tire. There's all that loose grass that was thrown upon it because the landscapers just decide they don't care and we're going to kick up grass wherever they could. This bike was covered, it was filthy. I should have taken a before picture, but I didn't. But I wanted to show everybody the job this stuff did. You know, whoops, there goes the bag because it's a little windy, but this stuff works fantastic. Like I said, this bike was covered in dirt. I did everything from the windshield to the mirrors, you know, everything, every inch of bike was done, and it shines like it's brand new right now. And I have to give the product credit. This is the M1 Fast Detailer. You know, comes in the kit, and the kit works fantastic, I have to say. Comes with the microfiber cloth, comes with the Fast Detailer. They included stickers in there. There was even a patch, you know. But I did this bike, like I said, from top to bottom, and it was just a filthy mess. I mean, I can't say enough about the product. Easy to use and does everything it's supposed to do. It works phenomenal. The only place I did not use it, obviously, is on the tires and the seat. Just didn't want them to feel, you know, where like I was going to slide off the seat, and obviously you know why you don't do the tires. But I just wanted to say the product is fantastic. Thanks, Sean.